chunky one too. Chunky one too.
And that is what you call an epic cook-up. Calamari, cuttlefish, and a spaghetti dish. I can't wait.
Welcome back, folks. We're at the grounds here, got a squid. We're trying to, Nick is getting some butterfish. There you go, nice one. Start the morning. Lovely. No hoo-ha today. No hoo-ha. What's a hoo-ha? It's a bit windy. And it swells quite up. It's getting a bit uncomfortable, that's why we're really in close. We're trialling before for the salmon. Whether they're still around, who knows. Maybe when the wind dies off later on, we'll have a bit of a better crack. Oh, look at that. Bang, bang. Oh, that's beauty. Just threw that in, still talking. Oh, he's just on, can I risk it? Oh yeah, nice tender size squid. Yeah, not bad, I believe. Yeah, good one hit. Alright, we're on to another one. Had a few hookups before, came off. Surprised they're not big record keepers. Still, can't complain at all. Good, Billy. What do you got?
Butterfish.
Butterfish. Nice score. Oh yeah. Lovely. Sometimes you just drift over a good spot and they produce. There's recording. Oh, there's a follower too. Let's get ready because we might get another hook up. Yeah, maybe not. Oh yeah, hook up, hook up, hook up. Woo! Hook up city. We've got an hand on this time, and I saw that squid coming for it. Okay, mate. Woo! Now we're doing alright. Look at that. Back chunky one. Oh! Yeah. We'll try to top them later on. Got some dolphins there, they're actually surfing. Billy, there they are. Out here. Hand line out here as well. Only bought one rod for the squid. I just started the drift on the edge of a sand patch, and then there's a bit of weed. I'll quickly show you. So that's the sand, a bit lighter. This darker area is the weed. and I know for a fact it's all dark weed, and it's probably about 3-4 meters deep here. Some places around here are probably too shallow. You will get them, but I prefer the deeper water, even though it's a high tide. So get a few more. Happy days. It's mucking around with the handline right here. I reckon it's a cuttlefish because he's got it. It's quite heavy. Let's have a look at him. Yeah, it's definitely a cuttlefish. Good size one too. Here's the net for that one. Beautiful. Good size cuttlefish. Oh, it's going to squirt. Fine specimen on that one. Right, so this fishing trip might be shortened because the weather and the swell is getting a bit eerie. So these are northerly winds bringing up the swell, and I mean it's not dangerous but it's just uncomfortable, and that's all that. So, and this is not reefy. Whoa, look at this wave. Woo! Holy moly. So yeah, geez, they're getting pretty big, look at that. Anyway, we're going to hang around until Billy gives us some more burley. He's actually alright today. Very surprised. Boom boom here. They are on the drift. Trying to get the big one out there, and this one here is just going for a bit of whiting. Probably can't hear me because it's windy. Butterfish. Ah, after all that. We're going to call it. We're going to call it. Caught a few squid, butterfish, and the cuttlefish, and we're pretty happy with that. Anyway, I'm not going to sign off because knowing our luck we might get a couple of. Oh look, now my rod's going off again. Get a few taps on a big squid head, and anyway, we're moving anyway. Put it this way, we're moving. Fish, tucker, fish, tucker, fish, tucker, man. Fish, tucker, fish, tucker, fish, tucker, man. Okay, folks. I'll quickly show you how many we caught. Caught maybe 4 or 5, and then we caught also this nice big beast. It's a cuttlefish. I'm going to show you how we actually clean this up. If I get a chance I might do a bit of a cook up too. Now we've got the cuttlefish, and I dropped it and it looks like the ink sac is actually starting to leak, which is a big issue. It's going to give me black all over the place. Alright, now to clean these, get a knife and just slice the membrane on the backbone. And you can see straight away you've got the cuttlefish bone. If you're walking down the beach, you see these all the time, and now you know where it comes from. It's basically the backbone of a cuttlefish. A bit of pressure. There we go. So what I'm going to do is actually remove the backbone so you can see what I'm talking about. There we go, that's it there. What we're trying to do is take off the innards in one piece. As I said, you don't want to get that white fleshy bit touching the ink because it will stain it. It's not going to affect the flavour, but just cosmetically. Whoops, here you go, here's all the ink. Jeez, big disaster.
Right, so that's your cuttlefish fillet. There is no tube because that backbone was sitting right here, and that was all sort of attached to the sides of that, like that. So it is different to a calamari. I'm just going to be doing some incisions. I've done this before, just on a slight angle. So when you cook it up, it'll have a nice little crisscross pattern. Because cosmetically, it actually looks very delicious. So when you cook this, it's actually going to start curling up. You're going to get all those grooves coming through. Just going to cut it straight down here and cook them into little slices. Then we're going to get our calamari, and I'll probably be doing the same. Just need to open it up, and we do the same. Calamaris are more tender than the cuttlefish when they're raw. Right. Tentacles, really nice and soft and juicy they are. At the same time, I'll just leave the good old squid rings like that, just for this small one. Awesome. I'm also going to cook the red mullet whole together with the squid. Let's get cooking. Put the gas thing on first. Got a wok, olive oil, an absolute must. It's 2 or 3 cloves of chopped up garlic. Righto, time for some tomato. Chopped tomato as well. Fill this up with water. There you go. Always rinse out the containers. Beauty. Let it simmer away. A few fresh leaves of basil. Just a bit of parsley. Not too much. Stir it. Beauty. Now to throw in the red mullet. Now this is going to give you more flavour in the sauce, more fishy seafood flavour. We're not going to try and stir it too much. Eventually pick it up and Mum can have it nice and whole. Yeah, beauty. Bit of black pepper. Okay, we're going to fish out this red mullet out of here nice and gently. Definitely been cooking for a while. I don't want to break it because I don't want to get no bones into the sauce. There you go, just scoop it up. There you go, beautiful. That's definitely cooked. Lovely. I'll just have a taste test. Oh yeah, that's really fishy, beautiful. Nice. Alright, let's do it. Throw it all in. Oh, that's a lot. We'll be eating well tonight. Lid over it. Sweet. Oh, ho, ho, look at that. Woo. And look at those pieces, how they curl around. Awesome, look at that. That is 5-star. In fact, I'm going to try one.
Here we go. Here we go. Really nice. I reckon it's still got to cook a bit more, but it's coming up really nice. Alright, so I had to bring it inside. It's getting too cold outside. Got the linguine here coming. Got the sauce really starting to cook up. I want to cook it up nice and high so it does evaporate a bit, so it becomes a bit thicker. And those squid and cuttlefish, star of the show. Awesome. A little bit of sauce at the bottom here. Get your beautiful fresh spaghetti. I love pasta al dente, but the best seafood marinara is if you let it sit for probably, well, as long as you want, maybe 10-20 minutes, and the flavours are just ready to die for. So I'm going to soak that up. That's all the whole crew's here. And that is what you call heavy cook-up. Calamari, cuttlefish, and a spaghetti dish. I can't wait. Alright people, let's check it out. Awesome. That's a spaghetti marinara, Dom style. Now I'm just going to steal a couple, because everyone's camera shy around here. Gonna grab the spaghetti first. Absolutely superb. Grab some of the squid and cuttlefish. Well, they really come soft. And the trick about squid and cuttlefish, if you do cook it in the sauce, the longer you cook it does actually come softer. So that's one trick that I found out. That's just fantastic. Anyway. Bit of white wine, nice warm meal. What else do you want? If you enjoyed the show, subscribe, like, share, and we'll see you next time. Take it easy. Bon appetit.
Fish, taka, fish, taka, fish, taka, man. Fish, taka, fish, taka, the fish, taco man. Fish, taka, fish, taka, fish, taka, man. Fish, taka, the fish, taco man.